The basics of basement concrete foundation repair. If your basement has begun to leak, your foundation could be in serious jeopardy. There are numerous causes for a leaky basement. Sometimes a foundation will shift and crack, allowing water to penetrate. Yet, one of the main culprits is a lawn that slopes into a home, not away from it as it should. Water follows the path of least resistance, and if that path leads to your basement, it could cause some serious headaches. If that is the case, you must perform a basement concrete foundation repair. There are many ways to perform basement concrete foundation repair. Some of these are quite cost-effective, while some could turn out to be rather expensive. One of the cheapest methods of basement concrete foundation repair is the simple patching method. Mixes can be purchased from your local hardware store, which are intended to be quick and effective fixes for small leaks. You should completely clean the area where the patch is to be applied. It's also a good idea to use a wire brush to rough up the concrete so that the mix will have a secure hold. Though these are useful, they cannot be used in all basement concrete foundation repair situations. Larger cracks and, consequently, larger leaks must be attacked in with more force and larger materials. Sometimes it is necessary to clear away a huge amount of dirt from the basement foundation in order to properly repair the concrete. Though excavation can be quite expensive, it may actually save you money in the long run. With real estate and home prices climbing higher than ever, a secure foundation for your home is something you cannot do without. Your home is more than a place to live, it is an investment and should be treated as such.